Welcome to today's design battle. Today we'll be settling the age-old debate. Which software is more comfortable for poster design, Photoshop or Illustrator? Let's dive in and find out. Photoshop, with its powerful editing capabilities, has been a go-to tool for graphic designers. With countless tools and effects, manipulating images is a breeze. However, it is important to note that Photoshop is not the only program that can be used for poster design. Other popular programs include Adobe Illustrator and InDesign. The best program for you will depend on your specific needs and preferences. Illustrator, the vector-based software built for precision and scalability. With its intuitive interface and vector-based design capabilities, creating stunning posters is a walk in the park. Photoshop offers pixel-based editing, making it perfect for complex photo manipulation. But when it comes to resizing or printing your poster, those pixels can become a headache. That's where Illustrator shines. It allows you to create your design using mathematical calculations, ensuring perfection in any size or format. Another advantage of Illustrator is its ability to create resizable vector graphics. This means that your poster can be scaled up or down without losing any quality. With Photoshop, you might end up with pixelated images if you don't work at a high enough resolution. So while Photoshop may be the king of image editing, Illustrator takes the crown for ultimate poster comfort. Its precision, scalability, and ease of use ensure that your poster designs will always be pixel perfect. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to use Photoshop for poster design is up to you. If you are looking for a program with a wide range of features and a user-friendly interface, then Photoshop is a good option. However, if you need a program that is specifically designed for vector graphics, then you may want to consider using Illustrator instead. So it's all for today. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll do my best to answer them. And finally, if you want to learn more about graphic design, I've linked to some resources in the description below. Thanks again for watching. Happy designing!